I'm gonna go really quickly because it's already starting to rain. We've had some weird sprinkles, but as you can see, our tree is getting a little crazy. Our almond bush here, we're probably gonna trim a little bit, maybe, I don't know, we'll see where we get. You know, we're gonna pick up things like these little things. I'm gonna move a lot of this stuff in, but I mean, what am I supposed to do? I have 7-foot tall tomatoes, and granted, these tomatoes over here are looking a little scraggly. I should have trimmed them, but some of this stuff is okay. Some of it, a lot of like these little tchotchke things we're gonna pull in. We'll move a lot of things around. I've already cut the water line for all the automatic watering systems for this line and for the line over here. But you guys, look, I have bananas. And probably nobody cares about me, but I put this banana tree in literally years ago when we moved in. Never got a banana out of this stupid thing, which is fine. And then 2 years ago when Irma came through, it split and it sent up that shoot over there. And then now that one's making bananas. So I'm getting all these bananas all at once, which is probably great. But the bananas are pulling this tree over. And if you can see over here, there's a little baby banana starting up. I'm not going to go too far into the yard because my foot is still kind of a mess and I'm walking a little wobbly, but you know, we're going to have to figure out what to do with these holes. I've already started sweeping up the porch where I was seeding, but all of my orchids and stuff on the porch are going to have to come down on my crystals. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. They're so heavy. I'll probably take the covers off since they're not necessarily the most stable. I'm just gonna like carefully walk in the yard, but we have a lot of like random boxes and stuff from my butterfly room that got broken down. I'm not gonna go too far over here. I just don't want to get bit, but I'm gonna pull up some tarp, probably move some boxes. I don't know, some of the stuff over here. Yeah, we got a lot of little things here and there throughout the yard, but I mean, look at this. We got bananas. There's no way these are gonna stay up. Oops. There's no way these are going to stay up during a hurricane. Like, they're going to fall. There's no way. Or maybe there is. I don't know. Life finds a way, right? So this milkweed is already pretty straggly looking because it fed probably more caterpillars than I know, but 40 that I raised and then a whole bunch more that I didn't raise. So yeah, this is the yard before we prep. I'll record again once we've prepped the yard so you can kind of see what we go through.